Let's talk about errors. Everybody do mistakes. It's good for you because that's where how you'll start learning things. You may be interrupted if somebody is talking to you or somebody knocks your door and you might be thinking something else like uh, it's called body present and mind absent. So I suggest you to do one work at a time. Sit somewhere else where nobody is going to disturb you. Most important thing is if you're using cell phone, you should keep that in silent mode. I want to make a white color. So in this case, white opposite is orange here. So look for all white colors and make a plus symbol here with whites, excluding this center. One thing is already placed. Here it is white. Rotate. Here is one more white. So rotate this and rotate up and look for another white. Here it is. Just simply rotate it and rotate up. Now we have plus symbol of whites excluding the opposite color. What is our opposite color here? White face. So what you have to do now, locate this pink color or any color to its face. Here it is pink face. Simply match it up with pink face and rotate 180 degrees. And look at another color, blue and white. So match it with blue face and rotate 180 degrees. And yellow, it is already matched. Simply you have to rotate 180 degrees. And finally white and green, match it with green face and rotate 180 degrees. Now you have plus symbol along with all the matching center pieces with middle piece.